So I know how to manufacture hardware and how to build software, but how do you actually manufacture a biologic?
Yeah. Well, it's not easy, but it's much easier than where we've been. We started off with cell therapy, which is much more complex, where you take the patient's cells from their body, you manipulate them outside the body, and you give it back. That's complex, it's expensive, it's cumbersome. We've done that, and we learned how Tregs work, and it was very promising. We've evolved that into what are called biologics, and these are simple proteins that you can manufacture, and I'll go into that in a second, but then that are simply injected into your arm like a subcutaneous injection, like an insulin injection, and then do its thing. The products are manufactured under GMP, which is the characterization of the quality that is required by FDA, and it's a streamlined, known process that the products are go through in order to meet the requirements of FDA. But the costs are relatively inexpensive compared to things like cell therapy. Well characterized proteins, and fortunately, we've been able to sign agreements with large companies. One of them being Dr. Reddy's laboratories, $1 billion manufacturer from India, where we're getting one of our drugs. So we're very fortunate to have these sort of partners that make quality products that have gone through all the controls and experiments.
I guess that makes sense, just like hiring a contract manufacturer in China or wherever to get your hardware built and developed, right? So